always inform you that the trades I shared with you is currently ongoing live. So I mentioned there that Phillips asked me for compliance and legal rights. Thomas, can you please take the names out? So in the slides, you will not see any names. But it's live ongoing trades. Okay? So what's the dividend trade? Dividend trading is a safe trade that pay high dividend. Okay? One thing I want to put now, that's CFDs. You now use CFDs trading to leverage enhance dividend trade. Okay, when I start trading, I did play with CFDs several years ago. But that time CFDs, when you buy shares, you don't get a dividend. Now I was informed by Phillips and a few other people, they pay dividend. That means if you go and buy a CFD shares, okay, you buy 500 CFD shares, you use 5 CFD to buy 500 shares or 1,000 shares, they'll pay you the full 1,000 shares dividend. Okay? Now the power. One price, you can get 5 times dividend. Let's say you enter with $10,000, you can get 5 times dividend more. Why? Because you got 5 times leverage. Okay? You understand the power now? So, in the American market, I got this counter worth, cost me $10,000 to use. Cost me $9,000 to do. $9,000. With your $10,000 CFD account, if you're hero, you can take $10,000, I can buy, instead me, I can buy $9,000, I can buy 100 shares. Your $10,000, I can buy 500 shares. I collect dividend on 100 shares, you collect dividend on 500 shares. It's called maximize profit. Disclaimer needed, this is trading. You can lose. Okay? I will explain to you convention later. Remember, these two charts after I show you are live, ongoing. Some of my students already are entered the position into what we call structured, what we call shielding, almost 99% shielding trades. So this is company, ABC company. This company I intend to do it as a dividend play, dividend trade, okay, and also as a swing trade. Why dividend trade? This guy is paying $1 per share. Average dividend for last 4 quarters is $1. It can be more, it can be less, but its average is $1. Okay? Current price of $20.60 give a quarter. Now the current price of this company is $20.60. $1 dividend, how much? $20 counter give you $1 dividend. What is the return? 5%. 3 months. Okay? And okay, so next dividend is on 1st week of December. So what's the company about? It's an oil offshore drilling company. Provide offshore drilling services to oil and gas worldwide. Current oil price, but oil pricing caused the company share to collapse to a multi-year low. Multi-year low, means nice potential to do reversal trade. If this is a multi-year high, then we have to be more sensitive. This is a chart here. You can see here, all the triangles here are all a dividend play. So now this the year high is this 1 year chart. The year high is $41. Now it's trading about $20.60. It's a real company. The dividend is coming out. It's a shipping company. It's actually already listed. So Thomas, should I buy or short? You can't. My point is simple. You think oil price will make a new low? Go down, will drop more so lower. Then don't trade this up. Just because this one, if the oil price reverse back, go back. Now because the oil price is about multi-year low now, correct? Therefore the chart multi-year. Because why this counter reflect oil price? Because this guy is in oil rig business. What they do is simple. They build oil rigs and rent it, and they build oil rigs and so-called rent out, lend lease it to oil companies. So you think if oil will drop down to $10 per barrel, company short CFDs. But be careful, if you short CFDs, prepare to pay the $1 dividend. Okay? Questions? Ask. No questions? Good. I was really worried you ask me what's the name of the company. So this company, as far as I see, the money point is that, yes, personally I feel oil must go back for retracement. Seriously, it must go back. Now it's something dollars, you go back $80, this one will definitely shoot up. Next quarter give $1 dividend, put inside first. Hold on. Worst case, much can you lose? It's not as, This one is quite a cheap entry point at $20 barrel. The next company I show you, the one a bit more risky. Not more risky because you hit a multi-year high. Okay? No question? Next chart. XYZ company design, manufacture electronic chips and equipment. Okay? Okay? Special dividend of $15 per share. Current price $80 share. Okay? Give an instant yield of 20%. Ex-dividend is end of November. Next week. I mean beginning of December. By the way, these are real trades. Okay? So this is a counter. Top ones are even better because why? It got $15 of dividend. But be careful, this company hit a multi-year high. Okay? Okay? So, what they got a couple of risks inside trade. Let me explain to you. Of the cuff, I got time now. I got time. Okay? As covered down, one risk is that what we call market risk. If the market suddenly collect 15%, S&P 500 collect 10-15%, this company will collect faster. Two, there is what we call another technical risk, like all dividend play. Is after the dividend, the price collects down. Okay? That's 2 out of 4. But I don't want to share too much because I'm running out of time again as usual. One question before we continue the next chart. Oh, no questions? Feel very disappointed. No fun. Huh? Which one? According to my insight, for claiming I explain to you, it's their cash rich. I was told. I got, okay? The cash rich. And the best thing about this, they just borrowed around $3 billion. So if the company, if the business can borrow $3 billion, fast and easy, the business go back. Okay?
But why they have cash and they want to borrow money?
Because money is so cheap. Even the great Apple with hundreds of billions of dollars also borrow money. Man, forget this mindset. Oh, companies that borrow money are dead companies. Then all companies in Singapore are dead, including your REITs. REITs also borrow money. There's no REITs in Singapore that is not 100% cash funded. So REITs are also bad because they also borrow money. So, man, my advice to you: be enlightened, be empowered. In the past, people need desperate poor people borrow money. And everybody, even the Warren Buffett, even the Apple with $150 billion of spare cash lying around also go borrow money. Don't ask me why. Why? Because
their cash is not in the US.
Whatever still can borrow money. They can always bring back in. Interest rate very low. Okay? REITs also same problem. REITs are 30-40% of REITs can be so-called borrow money.
REITs, they give out their profit to all shareholders.
Great! The problem with REITs, what I know, is that you got leverage. If the interest rate go up, your risk go down. The payment go up, go down. If the property, if the interest rate from now, I have projects, man. Talk to me in private, because on this subject alone, I can talk 2 hours. 1 to 1. 2 hours is very big. Because as a trader, I don't see market. I see big picture. That's why I survive. When I was running a non-profit trade about 10 more years ago, I already retired already. People say full-time trader, I'm not full-time trader. I'm part-time trader, full-time retired. Why should I spend 10 hours looking at the market like that? Please I think people tell me that, trader must spend 10 hours, 12 hours a day. Okay don't be like some of my students, some of them become professional trader, went crazy. Because of trying to make quota, spend 20 hours looking for market, trade from Japan open until US market close. And then he burned out, give up. Serious? I got students. I have a hard number thing. Students or graduates or members. Okay? Thomas, I think I'm sure that you spend too much time. I make quota because quota not enough. Professional trader very bad. I don't know for quota. How much money you make, how much money you lose, okay? If you lose too much, 2-3 times the rule, you sack you on the spot. Okay? Man, we have a private discussion. Come to me about discussion. You retire or free time. Maybe next Monday, Tuesday, we come and have a 1 hour discussion in my place. I'll cry already. Because I'm very worried. Risk is dangerous. No, it's Risk or problem. It's not safe. Okay?
Can you talk after the last speaker?
Back! Talk to Phillips. Anyway, if you want to talk to me, I'll be here. I'll be flashing my contact details and things up on the website, on the slides. Do drop us a message, or if you want to, bracket in front, bracket behind, Thomas Saw, Google my name, Singapore, you'll find me. Okay, last slide. Okay, now around time. This is my teachers here, you can visit me and things like that. Come, questions. I got about 5-10 minutes, I think. 5 minutes, sorry.